Welcome to my ES6 bootcamp. ES6, of course, is the next JavaScript generation or version, and with the right tools, you can already use it today. Therefore, now is the best time to start learning it and to see which cool new features it offers us. Throughout this course, I'll go through a lot of modules to show all those new features and explain what they do and how they work. We'll start with some syntax changes or extensions, so some new methods or additions you have at your disposal. Then we'll have a look at modules and classes, of course a very important addition with ES6, the class keyword, and the fact that we can actually write our code in a modular way distributed over multiple files without, once it is supported by all browsers, the need of third-party helpers, any other tools to load our files. We'll then have a look at symbols, one of the big new additions with ES6, what symbols are, how they work, and how you can use them. Thereafter, we'll have a look at iterators and generators, which are a bit connected to symbols and also offer you great new functionalities. And here again, you learn what they are and how they work. Then we'll have a look at promises. Now, you might already know promises, and promises are pretty common nowadays, but they're not natively built into ES5, and therefore with ES6 they are. And here we'll have a look at how they work and how we can use them. Thereafter, it's time to have a look at some of the built-in objects and some extensions those objects got, so new methods available on the math object, for example. Then I'll have a look at maps and sets, which are new collection types added with ES6. Thereafter, it's time to have a look at the Reflect API, a brand new API added to ES6, which bundles a lot of the functionalities which already were included in ES5 and also adds some new ones. And it especially works great in conjunction with the Proxy API, which is also brand new and allows you to wrap objects and then, handle certain operations that are done on those objects. And you will learn how everything works in this module. And even though you'll see a lot of examples throughout these modules, it's always cool to have a project where you can see all those things come together. Therefore, I'll have a little project at the end where we see some of those things being used and how to use them. And I'll also give a brief article on how to use it today and how to set up your work environment to, take advantage of ES6 today and create runnable and usable applications with ES6 today, even though browsers don't support it fully yet. Throughout this course, you'll also see cheat sheets attached to the last lectures in all those modules, and those cheat sheets should really help you to either exercise the things you learned in the modules, to dig a bit deeper, to find references helping you, and so on. So definitely have a look at them too.